Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. Now, if you see WhatsApp call unavailable, then it usually means that the call cannot be connected due to network, app, or account issue. So here is the solution for all of the problems which I mentioned above. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to change your network connection. So if you are using from Wi-Fi, simply turn it off and turn back the data. And if you are using data, then just need to turn back your Wi-Fi and check if you are able to call from WhatsApp. So if you are still facing the call unavailable issue, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store on your device and search WhatsApp. So after searching WhatsApp, check if there is any update available on the app or not. So if there is any update available, then you just need to update the app and try to make the call again. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to clear the cache or offload the app from your device. So simply search the app WhatsApp, and from here you just need to click on the option of storage and click on the option of clear cache. So by clearing the cache, it helps you fix the issue which you are facing on the WhatsApp app, and also helps you to fix the issue. So that's it. That's how you can fix the call unavailable on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.